That was the problem way back, where the government said you have to catch a poacher. You're not allowed to shoot a poacher. And the sentence of whoever was arrested, or the poacher, was like maybe 3 years and you're out. And not even 3 years. Sometimes you go to jail. In 3 months' time, you're out on bail. And what is the message sent out there?
Right.
And those people. To settle down. Smell and hearing, but very, very poor eyesight. Notice they got very small eyes, but also where they are positioned, they're far apart to each other. So that's one of the reasons they can't see very well.